Hello YouTube, welcome back to my little corner of the world. Today we have another styling video for you guys. This is going to be everyday minimalist tips for everyday styling that you can start today or tomorrow or any day. I have 4 tips for you guys, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. So when it comes to everyday styling, less is definitely more. If you guys watched a previous video of mine going over my closet, you would notice that I pre-plan out outfits that I kind of know I'm gonna wear that day. This also relates to the last tip, and we'll get there soon. But I like to think that the less options you have every single day in the morning, the easier it'll be for you to pick quick outfits that work on the fly. I personally like to use my clothing rack for those kinds of decisions. I know what I want to wear the next day because it'll be on my clothing rack, and I also give myself about 3 or 4 options so I don't feel too constricted about what I have to wear the next day. My next tip is balance, and that is assessing your outfit to see if there is a balance, there's a flow, everything goes together, whether that's the color palette or if you're wearing too much baggy clothes or the clothing is too tight. Is there too many accessories happening? Because most of the time my list because most of the time it wouldn't work to take off at least 1 or 2 accessories before you leave every day in your outfit. Make sure your outfit isn't overpowering you. Make sure it complements your body. Don't wear anything that's too baggy unless that's the look that you're going for. If you want something that flatters your shape, make sure you have clothes that actually fits you. And also balancing, if you want to wear something baggy on the top, you can kind of match that with something tighter on the bottom, or if you want to wear baggy sweatpants on the bottom, you have something tighter up top. And with colors, if you guys are a minimalist like me and you only wear a few colors pretty much at all, it's not going to be too much of an issue for you to find things that match, especially if you have a neutral palette like I do. But if you are a minimalist who still likes color, just make sure that the colors complement each other and it basically gives off the vibe that you want to give off. This one is also a really important one. This one is wearability and function. So a big thing that often happened to me is I would pick out an outfit that's super cute, but it wasn't functional for the day that I had ahead of me. So assess your day, whether you're just going to work and then after maybe you're going for drinks, or you're going to work and let's say you like to go to the gym. Like, okay, that doesn't make any sense. You can have on the cutest outfit, but let's say it's super hot outside and you didn't really think about that before you left, so you ended up wearing one of your favorite sweaters and your favorite pants, and you went outside and you ended up hating your outfit, not because the outfit was ugly, but because you did not think ahead to functionality and versatility and if it would actually work for what you were doing that day. I know if I am gonna have a day where I'm running around a lot, so for errands I like to be comfortable, but at the same time I like to be wear something breezy, because I know my errands can get real crazy real quick, especially when you have a lot of things that you have to carry in your hands and running around and all that stuff. So yes, I'm still gonna go for something really comfortable and warm, but at the same time I'm gonna be thinking about, well, am I gonna need to eventually take off a layer if I get hot, or is it cold outside and I'm gonna eventually have to carry a sweater with me to put on? Definitely paying attention to the weather, your activities for the day, and how that outfit is gonna fit into your day. And if all else fails, have a fallback uniform. And a fallback uniform is an outfit that you wear pretty much all the time, and you know no matter what you will always look good. So for me, that is either a sweater, if it's colder outside, it's a sweater, my skinny jeans, my skinny jeans, and my pair of shoes that whatever matches the outfit, and also my jacket there, because I know that jacket makes literally any ugly outfit look good, and that is a staple part of my uniform. When I just don't know what to wear, I just wear basics and then throw that on top. Or if it's warmer outside, I like to go for crop tops or tighter tops on the top, and then on the bottom I'll wear my favorite pair of pants, and those are usually black skinny jeans, or I'll wear my favorite shorts, which can be anything from all black, doesn't matter what kind of what type of shirt you're wearing or what type of bottom you're wearing, as long as it's all black. Or your uniform could be a certain kind of clothing, so a sweater and skinny jeans and sneakers, and that can be the uniform. Regardless of the color, it could be anything you want. Just have something that you know looks good all the time and you won't have to sweat it. And the last thing I want to touch base on that I want to start, I guess, incorporating more in my videos is being creative with your clothing. Like, for example, this outfit that I have for this video, you guys have probably seen this blazer 1,000 times, but something new that I've done is I flipped the collar on the inside, so I have a different kind of neckline going on. Instead of having the flap showing on the outside, I flipped it in, and I've had this really nice seamless neckline going on. And then this is usually open and I wear it as an open jacket. Today I decided to pin it so it's kind of closed here and my bralette can peek through a little bit. I have on my favorite necklace, and I didn't have on this hat, but I knew I wanted to go for something a little bit more upscale in this video, so I threw on this beret, and that is how I made this outfit what it is right now. As long as you're confident in your outfit and your alterations, you will be okay. And very long skirts as dresses, as tube dresses. Trust me, as long as you make it not look strange, you can definitely mess around with your clothes a lot and make it into something completely different. Alright guys, so those were all of my everyday styling tips from a minimalist. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a like, leave a comment down below on any questions you have or what are some of your everyday styling tips, and also do not forget to have a great day.